हाय, गुड मॉर्निंग। आज मैं आपको ले चलता हूँ घर के अंदर। इससे पहले मैंने आपको दिखाया था घर के बाहर गार्डन का, जहाँ की हम लोगों ने पुरानी चीजों को यूज किया, यूज द ओल्ड थिंग्स। एंड टुडे आई विल टेक यू इनसाइड द आंगन। इफ यू रेड माय स्टोरी घर का आंगन, तो दिस इज अबाउट गोइंग टू बी अबाउट द आंगन। एंजॉय योरसेल्फ। चलिए आपको दिखाते हैं कि हमने अपने आंगन को कैसे सुधारा। You see this, see the panoramic view of the whole आंगन। This used to be a very dirty place। यहाँ पुराने पुराने कूलर और ट्रैश और गैस के सिलेंडर्स ये सब पड़े रहते थे। तो we decided, हमने कहा कि नहीं यार, मजा नहीं आ रहा, we should do something about this आंगन। So we created this, and now I'll show you how we have used again the trash, the discarded material from the house, from outside, and how we have utilized in the angan. Okay, see this now. Can you make it out? Okay, these are the drainage pipes. Okay, yeah. And if you can see, okay, thanks to the corona period, the lockdown, we had lots of packing food coming to our place. तो उसके जो प्लास्टिक के डब्बे थे, you see this boxes? Yeah. So we planted these coleus and got this thing made through the drainage pipes, and how we have planted it. You see this? Here. This coleus is growing so beautifully, and once the summers come, I'm sure the coleus will go. Then we'll like to plant portulaca or maybe something else. Well, you can make out what it is. Yeah, these are nariyal ka khokas. Okay, so paintings have been done on this, and you see how they have been placed here. More of them. See, one tip is that in a garden, it is not only how the plants, what type of plants you have put. More important is how you have placed them, the placement. That is so important. This is a common thing, the vertical garden, which you find everywhere these days. Again, the placement. See this? Again, the food, the fast food dabbas that I was talking. Just see that. And if you see all of them together, how beautiful they look. This is a very interesting story about this आंगन. हमको लगा कि यहाँ पर एक छोटी क्यारी होनी चाहिए, तो साहब मिस्त्री को बुलाया गया और मिस्त्री ने एक आंगन में गड्ढा खोदा। अब यहाँ कॉलोनी में मुगलों के ज़माने का सुना है कि यहाँ पे ग्रेवयार्ड हुआ करता था। तो जब मिस्त्री खोद रहा था इस जगह को, तो आधा फुट जाने पर कोई चीज़ टकराई। फिर उसने खोदा तो दूसरी जगह, तो वहाँ भी टकराई। तो यानी इससे कि डॉक्टर साहब मुझे लगता है कि नीचे कुछ गड़ा हुआ है। वेल, धन नहीं था। आई स्टॉप्ड हिम एक्चुअली। आई सेड नो, डोंट गो, बिकॉज आई वॉज अफ्रेड कि पुराना कब्रिस्तान था यहाँ पर, ग्रेवयार्ड था, गॉड नोज व्हाट विल हैपन। So I just asked him to stop it there. So, well, it's not a very deep kyari, but we tried putting these. You can see we have spinach, then we have some tomato growing, then lettuce is there, and of course the pansy is there. So it makes the whole angan green and looks beautiful that way. Then we had some tomatos coming from the kitchen. We placed them here like this. More of them here. And then again the placement of the pots, some bougainvilleas here in the corner, and of course you can see this. This is made out of the eggshells. So when placed between the plants, it gives a very different view. Yeah? So this is how we have tried to make this place worth sitting. And we actually have our breakfast in the morning. In the morning we have our breakfast here. दोपहर का लंच भी हो जाता है, अब तो गर्मी अभी नहीं है, तो we can have lunch here, and then of course रात को we can do a bonfire here. So green all around, if you can see this. This is the Frangipani tree. Soon the leaves will be showing up. Then we have put some lights here, some beautiful lights. So at night we have some subtle lights here, and it looks beautiful. Well, here you see these paint boxes. Well, a house got painted and all these dabbas were left. See this? So we painted them and we planted these gazinias here, and see how nice they look. And this is actually morning time. If you see that in the afternoon, when the bright sunshine is here, all these flowers, they bloom and they look gorgeous. Gorgeous, really gorgeous. And not to miss this gentleman sitting right here with wide eyes open, looking happy in the garden, in the angan actually, in the courtyard. This has been made from a canister. Yeah, you see this? उल्टा करके उसको काट दिया और जनाब इनको बिठा दिया यहाँ पर. Okay, so I thought that after showing you the morning scene of this angan, why not to show you the evening scenario? See how we have put the lights in this angan? Just give you a panoramic view. See the light effects that we have put here. Subtle lights, not very loud. And now I take the opportunity to introduce you my wife Archana, who has created this whole angan and the way she has done. Yeah.
Hi friends, I'm Archana. So I want to show you something, how I have used the waste things, the trash of my house. Here is an example. These are the coconut shells. Can you see these? I've painted whirly art on these coconut shells. You see this? And these are the jewelry strings. It were lying with me. They were of no use. So I thought, why not to use them as a hanger? So these are the tea light holders with some whirly art on it, decorated in an artistic manner, using all the trash of the house.
So this was the story of my angan. Thank you very much. And if you like it, subscribe the channel and share it. Thank you so much for being with me. Wait till I come with another story of the garden. Thank you.